katawan for a living. So did you change your perspective? Parang dancer, yung mga star dancer, yung mga ganyan.
Actually, yung perspective ko dyan is ganon kahirap ang bansa natin. Uabot ka talaga sa ganong naaabot ka sa ganong punto para makahanap ng trabaho. Kasi hindi lahat, education mahirap sa bansang Pilipinas. Hindi lahat nakakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Yung trabaho, para makakuha ka ng marangal na trabaho, kailangan at least high school graduate ka. So, ganun kahirap yung bansa natin, which mirrors na may mga babae na yun yung trabaho na lang nila. Kasi hindi naman sila nakapag-aral dahil sa sobrang baba ng ekonomiya, ganyan. In order for you to live and to feed your family, in order for you to eat kahit once sa isang araw, aabot ka talaga sa punto ng ganun. But sana, habang ginagawa ko siya, sana katulad ni Stella, nagbago siya na hindi naman siya laging ganun. Kaya sana, as years pass by, umangat na yung Pilipino. Hindi lang sila, kundi lahat tayo. Para wala nang ganun.
So, pang sinasabi mo, Kim, is parang your character mirrors yung mga ilang pinagdadaanan ng ilang Pilipino sa atin na parang they're pushed against the wall to do these things. Kasi nga, hirap sa buhay.
Yes, ganun talaga. Dalawang side naman ng mga Pilipino eh. Mayaman, may sobrang hirap. So,
Right.
yes.
Thank you, Kim. Mula kay John Bueno for Robbie Jaworski. Is this your first series? Can you tell us your experience working with Kim Pao, and do you feel more confident now on camera, or do you still get nervous or jitters?
Yes, this is my first teleserye or experience as an actor. Ang experience ko naman working with Kuya Pao and Ate Kim is very friendly, very fun. Kapag walang eksena or off the set, light ang trabaho, madali silang kausapin o pwede ko silang lapitan at humingi ng advice for actors' notes. And as for nerves and jitters, I think that with more experience, hindi pa rin nawawala lagi yung pagiging nervyoso. Pero yung proseso mo bilang isang aktor para, I guess, to overcome the nervousness is built upon. And I hope to have more experiences in the future.
Yeah, you're just getting started, di ba? Pero you're in good company sa first project mo,
Yes, of
di
course.
ba? The
Of course,
Alibi.
100%.
From Hannah Malorca of Inquire.net for Direct Jojo. Ano po ang mga scenes na dapat abangan ng publiko sa The Alibi, ang buong katotohanan? I think she's referring to yung nasimulan ni Paolo kanina na eksena na parang may mga scenes na hindi masyadong nakita. Go ahead, Direct.
Maraming scenes kasi na hindi pa na-explain kung bakit na na-air sa Prime. So dito may explain lahat kung saan ang galing yung mga eksena. Plus mga big scenes na, well, syempre mga ibang eksena na hindi pa na sobrang tight kasi na edited material ng Prime. So dito, for almost ilang weeks na shoot, makikita dito at ma-explain lahat.
Saka nasabi ni Pao, may mga na-shoot daw kayo na hindi napalabas sa...
Hindi pa napalabas, yes.
Oo, so dito mapapanood.
Tsaka yung explanation kung bakit nagawa yun.
Alright. From Kate Nuesca of Pulp Magazine for Paulo. In this show, Paulo's character lives in a world where no one can be trusted. How did you prepare for that feeling of being a hunter, looking for the truth, while also being hunted, someone who is in danger? And that.
I think one thing during the time we were shooting The Alibi, a lot of things were happening in the Philippines as well. And parang we were hungry for the truth, di ba? Parang we were out for blood. We were out for answers, parang ganun. So I think parang that was one of my inspirations, and aside from that, it's just parang innate curiosity. Parang when you're curious about well, I'm a very curious person. Kapag may hindi ako alam, nire-research ko lahat dahil gusto ko kompletong detalye. Or kung nagbabasa ka ng libro, may madaanan kang isang salitang hindi mo alam. Hindi ko pwedeng ituloy dahil hindi ko alam yung ibig sabihin ng salitang yan. And it's the same thing I think that I applied in this role when you're constantly searching for answers, not just about yourself, but for everything around you. Parang hindi ka mapakali dahil hindi mo alam yung katotohanan. And I think it's the same thing with other journalists.
No, ang ganda na sinabi mo kasi kanina, kinakwento ni Kim how yung role niya mirrors the Daily Filipino. Di ba? The lives of some of our Daily Filipinos. Ikaw din ganon. I mean, you mirror what should be the attitude of a Filipino to search for truth. Di ba? Agree? Okay. For Kim this time. Kim is known for being the chinita princess of rom-coms that are usually very honest and pure, while her character in The Alibi seems to navigate a lot of moral gray areas. How did you prepare for the psychological weight of playing this kind of character? Grabe naman may tanong
Oo
na
nga
ito.
eh.
Naman, pang ano naman talaga.
Hello everybody, I'm Kimberly Chu from Cebu City. Charot lang. Yun yung kagandahan ng pagiging isang actor. Kasi naiikutan namin yung iba't ibang mundo ng lahat ng tao. So, masaya din na mag-tackle ng mga ganong roles. Kasi, ayun nga, for growth, for hindi ka lang naka-remain sa comfort zone mo.
Pero pag binigyan ka ba na kunwari yung kay Stella, parang do you like look for pegs? Sino maganda dito?
O nanonood talaga ako ng mga films or
Oo.
yung mga tao, oo.
May immersion ba sila direct minsan?
Minsan yung
Merong, pag alam naman yung character, siya na yung search for that certain character.
Pero may time ba na parang let's look for a case study, parang magkwento lang, gusto ko lang marinig yung kwento, parang may ganun ba kayo?
Meron naman pag minsan.
Alright. Okay, this is our last question. This is just part 1 of our Q&A. So, from Trisha Matias of Metro.style, for Sophia, what's your favorite memory to look back on from filming? Actually, gawin na natin sa lahat. What's your favorite memory while filming? In Cebu? Tama? Is it 100% in Cebu? Hindi naman. Majority lang.
80%.
Okay. So, what's your favorite memory? Isa-isa natin. Kimi, yung inapakan ka sa mukha?
Yes,
Okay.
yun siguro. And the rest of the, maybe on the choreography side as well, working with Ate Kim personally with her. And I've known her for a long time now, for a year maybe in Showtime, but now mas naging close siguro kami. And also seeing everyone here who are actresses and actors, kasi first time ko talaga, so hello, parang ganun ako, ano bang gagawin dito? So for the lang ako, observe, tapos I try to mirror what they do, or like I learn from them, and I ask questions as well, but mostly it's working with them closely, so yeah. Wow, English. Oh.
Yeah, bring that with you
So,
diba,
yeah.
for your next project.
Yes, sana
Yeah.
nga, yes. Oh.
PJ, ikaw naman. Favorite memory?
Ano ba? Marami the bonding itself. Kasi parang minsan nga pag-isip ko, excited na ako, mag-taping na kami. Chikahan na kami ni Kim.
Nagtatrabaho ba kayong dalawa? O?
Actually, parang hindi. More on
Oo,
chika.
chika.
Or chika lang?
Marami na kami na chismis, na Shopee. Shopee. Ayan.
Ikaw lang sa
Kaya ako lang pala yung
Shopee.
Shopee. Yun ang kinakasaya ko pag day off eh. SNR ako.
Nag-plug ka pa, PJ, ha? Okay.
Nag-grocery ako.
Nice.
Pero masaya naman kasi doon din ako nag-birthday. Sinurprise nila ako. Akala ko kasi papagalitan ako. Sabi ko, parang okay naman yung eksena. Wala akong ginawa. Parang tinatalakan ako ng direct Jojo.
Is a prank.
Bakit?
Is a prank pala.
Pala may
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, PJ. That's a good memory.
Yes.
Diba? Angelina, ikaw, aside from sa first taping day mo na
Well, as my first series, I think yung entire experience has been very memorable. Maybe my favorite taping day or taping days, my favorite moments would be when we filmed sa Temple of Leia. I feel like I really loved that location and the scene and the part of the story as well. Just filming everything there.
Ah, thanks, Angelina. Robbie, favorite memory?
Siguro dalawa yung favorite memories ko, or two memories or experiences na I know I will never forget. Yung isa siguro, I'm sure naalala niyo naman lahat kung andun kayo noong lucky na yun. Pero lumindol habang nagtitaping
Oh,
kami.
yes!
Yeah, so it was a little scary. But it was cool that we were all together, I guess. And thankfully lahat kami we were safe.
Right.
No one in the cast or sa prod team. Wala naman din sa amin na sa matalo.
Right.
And then, I guess the second thing would be, as binanggit nga ni Angelina, it's our first experience.
Core memory to eh,
But,
di ba?
I guess what I will never forget and take home is how there's a true and major passion for storytelling that not just Dreamscapes or Star Magic has, but each and every member of prod, cameramen, APs, assistant directors, to the cast. I think that that congregation of people coming together for one goal, I saw a lot of beauty in it. I'll never forget that for sure.
That's a good memory, di ba? Tao, ikaw naman, your favorite memory filming